Hey guys, so welcome to the Sellers Lounge. Yesterday I told you I was going to keep you updated how it's going here on board. The wind is getting stronger between force 3 and force 4. Swell is about 3 to 4 meters high. Yeah, the wind speed is about 10 to 11 knots. It's really getting stronger by the day, and we are not even yet as people could hope, which is going to be worse. Yesterday night I couldn't sleep at all because I was rolling from one end of my bed to the other, so I couldn't sleep. And then you need to see it. Just hold on, let me show you. You see the effect of the wind right now. See a whole lot of white horses, the white patches you see on the surface. You can see how the ship is bending, swinging from port to starboard. Yeah, spray. And yeah, it's going to get worse. So we're all bracing ourselves for it. Yeah. I'm literally staggering like a drunken man because I really need to. My legs are wide apart so I can maintain a good balance. See, for yourself.
Sophia. This is Captain Radio, Captain Radio, calling the vessel Sophia. Sierra Victor, Charlie Kilo 2, Sierra Victor, Charlie. Sophia, Sierra Victor, Charlie Kilo 2, this is Captain Radio. Sierra Victor, Charlie
So you can see it for yourself. Sailing is not an easy thing. I mean, but it is very interesting. Not many persons will be sailors in their lifetime. And not many persons will experience this. So this is what the wind is doing to our ship right now. And I hope you can see this, how the ship is swinging from port side to starboard. The swells are really high.